section that we were talking about where there's that back wall, so they insulated that.
There is, without a doubt, trust. What I experienced was the whole team being 100% transparent. A building project can be extremely taxing from a stress level because it's a lot of money, usually. A lot of the control isn't always kept with the people that are managing it. Black Castle told me everything. It got done and still got done on time and on budget. I thought that the approach of Black Castle being client-centric and reasonable with reality. So a lot of times, you know, you can have ideas that are really good but are very impractical. I chose Black Castle because the team can marry those two really well, seem to have that reputation, and I can admit that it absolutely was the case.